the days.
Woo! Zo! Ah! You tried, princess. You tried. It's okay, but you tried. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas Day 8. Why my little munchkinitas? So. Oh, so you farted. You better think, look. Who's here? Say hi to the vlog. Say hello. So today is Friday, and today, excuse me, today is a really just chill, laid back day. We're going to church, and then me and Adnan always go out to eat, and that's about it. My day is really not that interesting today, but that's what today consists of. I'm actually wanting to clean my room. Tomorrow I can go do some shopping because I really want to redo my room, and Zoe, you know, lives or stays in my room as well, so you can already imagine what a disaster this is. So I really want to just fix my room up a little bit more and make it look more me, because I don't know what happened to this room. It literally went from 100 to 0 like hella quick. I don't know how, but it did. So yeah, I want to go get some, you know, some stuff for my bed, maybe a new drawer. I also want to get like a desk or just something for my room to be a little more organized. Y'all, Texas ain't no joke. It'd be 20 degrees in the morning, and then later it'll be like 40, and then it's 20 again, and then yeah, it's just crazy. But now we're here at Coconuts. Bam! About to have us some good Thai food. I love this food. It's so freaking good. Look how delicious my plate looks. Look how delicious my plate looks. Our little date was pretty lit. You know, you can never go wrong with coconuts.
Yeah, we just killed it. It's all good.
Literally, like my stomach.
Killed what? Your stomach?
Killed my stomach because it's so good. And spicy. Mine was really spicy. Was yours spicy?
Yeah, it was okay.
It was good. I'm ready to go home and cut us with my Zozo. What are you doing, sir?
Trying to get warm over here, Joe.
So today's vlog wasn't very long. It was pretty short, but it's because I really didn't do much today. I just went to church, and then me and Adnan went out to Coconuts, which we enjoy very, very much. It's super good. If you've never been and you live in the area where I live, you should definitely go check it out. I love their chicken fried rice. Every time I go, I literally get the same thing every single time. Level 2, and they already know who I am. So yeah, anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this short vlog. Tomorrow should be a very productive day, very fun day, so make sure you're on that lookout for that video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like this video, subscribe down below, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.